What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, the Fade Master, a barber out here in Los Angeles, California. Now look, whether you like a new barber, an OG barber, maybe you just somebody who cuts their own hair, right? You might be wondering like, what clippers should I use? What's the best clippers? Or what are the professionals using? Now look, I can't really tell you what the best clippers are, but I can tell you what's the best for me. So that's what this video is about today. I'm gonna walk through my setup and show you what tools that I use to get the job done. So if this is of interest to you, then stay tuned because I'm about to dive in. Let's get it. Okay, cool. Now look, as you can probably see here, I really like Stylecraft. Now I done used all types of different clippers and clipper brands over the past years. I've been cutting hair for almost about 10 years now, so I've used my fair share. Damn! And it's crazy because when I first started cutting hair, I swear there was only 2 clipper companies out. And I feel like an old man just saying that, like back in my day, but nah, I'm serious. Like back in my day, there's only 2 clipper companies. There's only Andis, there's only Wall. And now, as you know, if you're a barber especially, there's so many clipper companies. So it can be frustrating or it can be hard to decide what clippers to use these days because these tools are not cheap, bro, I'm telling you. So like I said, over the years, I use a whole, I've used an array of different clippers, right? I done used Barbers clippers, I done used Andis, I used Wall, I used Coco. What else? Stylecraft, Gamma. There's gotta be more. I don't know, you get the point. There's a lot of clipper companies, right? But currently right now, I'm not gonna lie, my favorite clipper brand is definitely Stylecraft. Stylecraft gets a round of applause for me. So enough talking, let me just show you what I got. As you can see right here, these are the same clippers, right? These bad boys right here are called the Stylecraft Instinct clippers. Now these is like, this is the meat and potatoes. These are my hitters right here, I swear to God. I call this one Iron Man and this one Iron Man 2. I like these clippers right here for a couple different reasons, right? Number one, I just like how they look, bro. Like they hard, right? You can see the motor on the inside. You know what I'm saying? It just look fly. It just like people, my clients see these clippers and they immediately like, damn bro, them is hard. Like how much is those? Another thing I like about these clippers is that they're small, especially in comparison to other clippers. Like if you ever use like the Barbers FX, the Andis Masters, the pretty much any other clipper is like giants compared to these. So these are small, they're lightweight, they're easy to use, they fit in your hand. And when I tell you these things are strong as hell, bro. These is literally like my workhorses, but it's crazy because they're my workhorses. They get all the bulk down, but they're also really good at fading too. I don't know how Stylecraft did that, but if you're listening, thank you, because these clippers are the truth, bro. So that's why I got 2 of them. And next we got the Stylecraft.
Stop it. Get some help.
Next we got the Stylecraft Rebels. These are like a special edition Rebels. They came with like this faceplate. It came with 2 other faceplates too. I got them somewhere. I don't remember what they look like, but the design is dope, bro. Like Stylecraft Rebels are a clipper that I've used for several years, right? They used to be like my favorite. The Instincts are kind of my favorite now, to be honest, but the Stylecrafts used to be my hitters, right? And one thing I like about this clipper right here is that it has this echo blade. And this echo blade allows for like that crunch when you cutting hair. So every time you cutting hair, you just hear, you literally hear every single hair like getting crunched and it just clicks, you know what I'm saying? Kind of like the OG Masters used to do if you ever used to use the OG Masters. Now I like these a lot because these are good clippers all around, good for debulking, good for fading. Honestly, the clipper right here is a beast. And next we got the Stylecraft Sabers. Man, I love these clippers. Man, what can I even say about these clippers, man? Like this Stylecraft blade, it's really like that, bro. But I sharpened it a little myself and I feel like that really helped it stand out even more. But these things are some hitters, bro, I'm telling you. So if you never tried the Stylecraft Sabers, then you need to try these. Next up, you guessed it, Stylecraft.
Come on now, dawg.
Stylecraft Instinct Trimmers. So the Stylecraft has the Instinct Trimmers and the Instinct Clippers. And bro, listen, when I tell you, these trimmers right here, bro, are the truth. Now I'm not gonna lie, like these clippers I strictly just use them for balding, bro. So when I tell you these trimmers, my fault, these trimmers are so strong, bro. They will cut through anything. So anytime I'm like setting my ball lines, or you know, I gotta like ball someone's head or ball someone's neck, or just remove a lot and I want it bald, these right here is my go-to, bro, every time. I've never had a trimmer that was like as strong and as thorough like as these trimmers right here. So last but absolutely not least is my Coco Trimmers. Now I done had like, this is probably like my third or fourth pair, bro. I'll be like dropping it, I'll be breaking stuff, but these trimmers are the truth. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like, if I had to just choose one trimmer, I don't know, like, I might choose these over my Sabers. I don't know, it's something about this like digital gap they got going on right here. Like, the machine gaps it so you don't have to zero gap it yourself, and it's just set perfectly. And bro, these are some hitters, man. So the Coco just came on the scene recently. They're gaining some popularity, so if you never tried Coco out, make sure you get some Coco trimmers, bro. These is hard, I'm trying to tell you. Oh, and I almost forgot about my shaver, right? So my favorite shaver right now is definitely the Barbers FX3. I don't know what it is about this shaver right here, bro, but it just hits, man. Like, I used to use the wall shaver. I used to use the Anda shaver. To be honest, I like the Anda shaver over the wall shaver, but the Barbers definitely takes the cake, bro. Like the design, the feel, and just the way it cuts. Like, this is definitely my favorite shaver right now. So as you can see, man, I pretty much like, once I find like a brand or something I like, I kind of just stick to it, right? If you want to check out any of these clippers that I'm talking about, man, I'm gonna leave links in the description for sure, so you can copy some. And because if you haven't tried any of these clippers, bro, I'm telling you, go get them right now, try them out, give it like a good week or two, and then leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And some advice from me to all the barbers out there: invest in your tools, bro. Don't have the same tools you've had since barber school. You've been out of barber school for 10 years, bro. That's crazy. Invest into your tools, because it's an investment into yourself, it's an investment into your business. The last thing you want to do is be trying to do a haircut or do a job and feel like your tools aren't adequate enough. It's one thing that I have the skill, which, you know, like, if you don't have that, you need to work on, but don't let your tools be the reason that you can't get the job done. Invest in yourself, invest into your craft, get the best tools possible, and let's get this money. So yeah, man, if you found value in this video, make sure you like it, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and man, stay tuned for more, man. It's your boy, The Fade Master.